Welcome to the best picks. The best shoe adhesive is probably one of the most important things to have if you want to keep your favorite pair of shoes in tip-top condition for as long as possible, because dealing with a detached sole can be a real pain, but with the right adhesive, you can fix it quickly and effectively. This video will guide you through the process of selecting and using the best shoe adhesive for your needs, ensuring that your shoes stay comfortable and stylish for years to come. Number 5. Soft Sole Original Shoe Glue. It boasts a stronger bonding formula than typical repair adhesives. This means it adheres extremely well to various surfaces, providing a reliable repair for soles and heels. You can easily fix worn soles, damaged heels, and even patch small holes. It seals on contact, and most materials are dry within 24 hours. It creates a protective coating, perfect for patching small holes and extending the life of your footwear and gear. It bonds, protects, and rebuilds for a lasting repair. It's a versatile solution for DIY shoe repair. It works effectively on leather, rubber, vinyl, and canvas. This durable glue forms a waterproof seal, preventing water damage and extending the life of your shoes, boots, and other gear. Beyond shoe repair, its strong adhesive provides extra traction. You can even use it on skateboards. This 3.7 fluid ounces tube provides plenty of adhesive for multiple repairs, making it a durable and economical solution. What we like? It boasts a superior bonding formula that adheres extremely well, ensuring a long-lasting repair. It also dries within 24 hours, minimizing downtime. If you need a waterproof, durable fix for various materials, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? It bonds instantly, dries clear, and creates a waterproof seal that lasts. Easy to use, dries quickly and seems to be holding perfectly. After extensive use, the soles of both pair of shoes are still attached like they were repaired yesterday. Number 4. Angelus Clear Shoe Cement. This is Angelus Clear Shoe Cement, perfect for a variety of shoe repair and customization needs. Its clear formula ensures a seamless finish, ideal for delicate projects. It provides a strong, durable bond, keeping your creations intact. Experience the superior adhesive strength it offers. Use it on various materials, from leather and vinyl to canvas and more. It's the ultimate all-purpose adhesive for your footwear. This cement is designed to withstand wear and tear, ensuring your repairs last. It provides a lasting bond for long-term use. With its easy application, you can achieve professional results. Get a clean, precise bond every time. Angelus is a trusted brand in shoe care and customization. It's the choice of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This convenient 4-ounce can provide ample product for multiple projects. It's the perfect size for both small touch-ups and larger repairs. What we like? This glue features a high viscosity and comes with a precision tip applicator for accuracy and control. It bonds within seconds, allowing for quick repairs. If you value precision and speed in your repairs, this is your best option. What people say? It dries very fast, and the sole stuck on and stayed in place immediately. I like the brush included to make this easy for application. Use this to build up worn-down heel on my walking trainers. Glue was easier to apply and value for money. Number 3. Shoe Bond Glue. Is a favorite pair of shoes damaged? It's easy to repair them with this strong and flexible glue. Save money and time by fixing them yourself. This glue creates a durable, waterproof bond that won't crack or break. It remains flexible, so your repairs will last. The precise applicator tip gives you total control for neat and accurate repairs. No more messy glue application. It bonds quickly and effectively, saving you time. You'll have your shoes fixed in just 30 seconds. It's not just for shoes. Use it to repair belts, bags, and more. This glue is a great all-around solution for various repairs. This is a professional-grade glue, designed for long-lasting repairs. It's perfect for hiking boots, sneakers, sandals, and more. What we like? It creates a tough yet flexible seal that won't crack or peel, ensuring long-lasting repairs. It's also waterproof, protecting your shoes from the elements. If you're looking for a durable, flexible, and waterproof solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Boot Bond saved these otherwise fine clogs from the landfill. I was able to patch up the torn seam in no time and keep on going. I have used this to repair my favorite, comfy flip-flops when the soles started coming away. The soles are both firmly in place. I used it on my son's shoes and it worked perfectly. Number 2. Gear Aid Freesole Shoe Repair. It makes long-lasting repairs and seals leaks on various footwear. Available in single tubes or multipacks for your convenience. This durable urethane adhesive permanently bonds to soles and heels. It dries clear and flexible, ensuring it won't peel or crack. It's abrasion-resistant and waterproof, perfect for protecting your footwear from wear and tear. Ideal for creating toe protectors or rebuilding worn heels. It works on all types of footwear, including leather, suede, rubber, neoprene, canvas, and even Gore-Tex. It's incredibly versatile. Gear Aid helps you repair your gear with confidence, ensuring it lasts through every adventure. We're dedicated to preservation and renewal. With this product, you can easily repair and extend the life of your favorite shoes, boots, and cleats. Get back to your adventures. What we like. This durable urethane adhesive creates a permanent bond that won't peel or crack. It dries to a clear, flexible rubber, ideal for various footwear types. If you need a reliable, long-lasting repair for your outdoor gear, this is a great option. What people say. It is clear so it doesn't show the repair. It's strong. It's flexible. It bends with the rest of the rubber without cracking and has stopped the leaks. Worked very well to repair the part of my snowboard boot I rest my board on when using the lift. The seams are perfectly sealed. Not a hint of wetness gets in, and I even kicked around my dog's soccer ball a couple of times with them on. Seams held perfectly. Number 1. Boot Fix Shoe Glue. It creates a strong bond in seconds. No clamping needed, get back to your activities quickly. It dries clear and stays flexible. Your shoes will look great without any unsightly glue residue. It's built to withstand heat, cold, and moisture. Perfect for any weather or activity. It works on rubber and vinyl. Use it on everything from boots and heels to athletic shoes. Trusted by professionals for reliable, long-lasting repairs. It's the perfect solution for worn soles and heels. With its strong bond and clear finish, it is the ideal solution for all your shoe repair needs. What we like. It creates a strong, durable bond in seconds without clamping. It dries clear and flexible, maintaining the shoe's appearance. If you need a quick, reliable, and weather-resistant repair, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Works well. I prepped by cleaning with rubbing alcohol pad and let it dry. Then clamped down the rubber portion onto the leather with zip ties and left it overnight instead of just holding the 10 to 45 seconds. Solid attachment and the glue seems fully cured. Absolutely love this glue. As soon as any boot shoe has an issue I fix it in a few minutes and forget about it. Haven't had a repair break yet. Bought 10 months ago, have used it maybe 10-15 times, 60% of bottle gone. Store in fridge per directions for longer life. Tip is clear and works perfect every time. I've used this on half a dozen things so far, and it's awesome. Seems to give even stronger faster results than the rubbery glues like E6000 and Goop, which I love and have used for years for hundreds of things, including shoes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.